Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make Nigerian bean stew. We'll start by gathering all the necessary ingredients to ensure a rich and authentic flavor. Then, I'll walk you through the straightforward preparation and cooking process, making it easy for anyone to follow along. Finally, we'll explore some helpful tips to achieve that perfect, creamy texture and delicious taste every single time. Get ready to enjoy a truly satisfying meal. To begin, you'll need about 2 cups of black-eyed or brown beans, which form the hearty base of our stew. For the aromatic foundation, grab 1 large onion and 2 vibrant bell peppers. Don't forget 1/2 cup of palm oil or your preferred vegetable oil for that signature richness. A couple of tablespoons of ground crayfish will add a deep, savory umami, and 1/4 cup of tomato paste along with seasoning cubes will complete our flavor profile. Our first step is to soak your beans for at least 30 minutes. This helps them cook faster and more evenly. After soaking, make sure to rinse them thoroughly. Next, finely chop your onion and bell peppers, setting them aside for later. For a wonderfully thick and creamy stew, remember to blend about 1/3 of your cooked beans. Also, prepare any protein you wish to add, such as smoked fish or tender beef. Now for the cooking, boil your rinsed beans until they are incredibly tender, which usually takes about 1 hour. In a separate pot, sauté the chopped onions and bell peppers in your chosen oil until they are soft and fragrant. Combine the cooked beans, sautéed vegetables, tomato paste, crayfish, and seasoning, then let it simmer gently for about 15 minutes. Taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. Serve your hearty Nigerian bean stew hot, with some warm bread or fluffy rice.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.